Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me to introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Habibi. I come from 11 Maret University. I will present my paper about techno-economy of internal combustion engine motorcycle replacement to electric motorcycle conversion with sustainability consideration. The number of ICE motorcycle in Indonesia increased from 2007 to 2017, increased until 300%. It's automatically will make the carbon emission also increase. In this case, Indonesian government plans to suppress the carbon gas emission from the transport sector, and the target reduction is 0.038 up to 0.056 gigatons during 2010 until 2012. And ICE motorcycle is one of will make carbon emission from transportation sector. ICE motorcycle electric motorcycle conversion is one can be used to reduce the carbon emission. Techno-economy from the customer side is needed to convince them to switch their ICE motorcycle to an electric motorcycle conversion. Sustainability consideration will make it more completely, because not only seen by economical aspect but also from environmental aspect and social aspect. This is the methodology of this research. The problem is carbon emission from ICE motorcycle. So there is three alternatives, and the first alternative is keep using ICE motorcycle, and the second alternative is convert to electric motorcycle conversion, and the last alternative is replace to new electric motorcycle. In this paper, will be evaluate them with sustainability consideration. From the economical aspect, NPV, IRR, and payback period. From the environmental aspect, carbon emission simulation using dynamic system model. And from the social aspect, compare the noise level, the road accident, healthier body, welfare, and maintenance time. From these three aspects, will we select the best alternative. In the table 1, this is the alternative of the motorcycle. So the ICE motorcycle is gasoline in production year 2014, and then motorcycle conversion, electric motorcycle. This is the battery capacity is 1500 watt-hour. Okay. In this slide, we shown that the cost of each alternative. The first one is cost of alternative 1, which is this keep using the ICE motorcycle. So this is the cost of yearly costs. There are fuel and maintenance, and then tire, and the last one is yearly tax. And total operational cost in yearly is around 8 million. And then in table 3, this is the cost of alternative 2, which is convert to electric motorcycle conversion. And there is no the maintenance cost is lower than ICE motorcycle. So the total operational cost in the yearly is 3 million. And table 4, the cost of alternative 3 replaced with new electric motorcycle. This is the same with electric motorcycle conversion. Cost yearly is around 3 million. And then from the economical aspect, the NPV, net present value of each alternative, shown in table 5, 6 and 7. In table 5, the NPV is negative because there is no initial investment and just keep using the ICE motorcycle. So there are just costs yearly of the ICE motorcycle. The NPV of alternative 2. The initial investment of alternative 2 is the conversion cost of electric motorcycle reduced by ICE motorcycle engine sale. The cash flow is positive because the benefits derive the difference in yearly operational cost using alternative 2 rather than alternative 1. And the NPV of alternative 3 shown in the table 7. The initial investment of alternative 3 is the purchase cost of new electric motorcycle reduced by ICE motorcycle sale. The cash flow of alternative 3 is also positive because the benefits derived from the difference in yearly operational cost using alternative 3 rather than alternative 1. So the second of economical aspect is the internal rate of return from each alternative. The internal rate of return of alternative 1 is not needed because the NPV is negative, the NPV net present value before. So the IRR of alternative 2, there are 77% and the IRR of alternative 3 is 42%. And the last one is payback period. Payback period was used to find out how long the investment takes to be returned. The payback period of alternative 1 is not needed also because it's negative net present value. The payback period of alternative 2 is initial investment divided net cash flow. So the payback period of alternative 2 is 0.64 years on around 8 months, and the payback period of alternative 3, there are 1.24 years or around 15 months. So the compare from the environmental aspect will be measured by dynamic system model. This figure is stock flow diagram model that will be simulation the carbon emission produced. There are 5 scenarios that will be entered in simulation model. The percentage of conversion rate is the variable change based on scenario. The scenario A is the percentage of conversion rate is 5% per year, and the scenario B is the conversion rate is 15% per year, and the scenario C is 25% per year, and the scenario D is 35% per year, and the last scenario E, the percentage of conversion rate is 45% per year. And the average increase in the number of motorcycle in Indonesia is 10.46% per year. So the model result of scenario A, the carbon is still increase every year because the conversion rate is lower than the increase rate of ICE motorcycle, which is 10%. So in the scenario B, the carbon emission is decreased until last year, and scenario C, scenario D, and also scenario E. So it shows that the end of the 10-year carbon produced is around 8 billion. It sounds at figure of model research of scenario E. The scenario E is the most optimistic scenario. It can be implemented in Indonesia if infrastructure has been prepared and the government gives incentive to the manufacturer and the customer. The last one is the social aspect. The social aspect is considered by looking for the noise level of the motorcycle and the opportunity of the accident by the motorcycle alternative. The noise level of the electric motorcycle is 22.7% lower than the ICE motorcycle. This lower noise level is expected to reduce traffic noise and can make road users feel more comfortable. The speed of the electric motorcycle is locked by the battery capacity. The maximum electric motorcycle speed is around 60 km per hour. It's different from the maximum of ICE motorcycle speed, which is around 100 km per hour. This differentiation is expected to reduce the road accidents because the maximum speed. By using an electric motorcycle, the carbon emission produced can be reduced as explained before. Automatically, it will make a healthier environment and a healthier body. Due to the healthier body, one's social pleasure will increase as well. In terms of cost saving, if someone using of electric motorcycle, it can reduce the monthly cost of motorcycle as described above. Directly, it will increase people's social welfare too. And the last one is time to maintain of the motorcycle. Time to maintain of electric motorcycle is lower than time to maintain of ICE motorcycle. So this is can increase the people's social welfare too. In conclusion, from the three alternatives, and from the economical aspect, social aspect, and environmental aspect, it can be concluded that the best alternative is electric motorcycle conversion from the alternative 2, which is convert the ICE motorcycle to electric motorcycle conversion, because this is the highest NPV, the highest internal rate of return, and the lowest payback period, and the lowest carbon produced, and also from the social aspect too. So thank you very much for your attention. This is my presentation.